Garbage disposal hums when you turn it on, but nothing spins? It's jammed, and there's a good chance you can fix it yourself in 2 minutes. What's happening? Something is stuck between the grinding plate and the wall of the disposal. The motor tries to spin but can't overcome the obstruction. It hums because the motor is receiving power, but the flywheel is locked. The fix: underneath your disposal, there's a small hex socket. It's at the very bottom center. Most disposals come with an Allen wrench that fits it, usually a 1/4-inch hex key. Step 1. Turn the disposal off. Make sure the switch is off. Never put your hand inside a disposal. Step 2. Get under the sink. Insert the hex wrench into the socket at the bottom of the disposal. Turn it back and forth. You're manually rotating the flywheel to dislodge whatever is stuck. Work it back and forth until it spins freely. Step 3. Look inside the disposal with a flashlight. Use pliers or tongs, never fingers, to pull out whatever was jamming it. Usually a piece of bone, fruit pit, bottle cap, or utensil. Step 4. Press the reset button. It's a small red or black button on the bottom of the disposal. If the motor overheated from being stuck, it tripped the thermal overload. Press it to reset. Step 5. Run cold water and turn it on. It should work normally. If it still hums after freeing the flywheel and resetting, the motor may be burned out. Disposal replacement runs $150 to $350 installed. Disposal repair: Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.